Hey, today is February 4th, 2018, and this video is for the IDparts Cold Start Challenge. It's currently -4 degrees, the wind chill is about 18 below, and we'll see if my 2001 Jetta will start. It's been parked here since Friday. We gotta get up to the Super Bowl. It's about 30 minutes from here. We gotta boo the Philadelphia Eagles since they embarrassed us a couple weeks ago. We'll have her cycle one more time. I usually park in the garage, so it never has a problem starting. So we'll see what happens. Give her one more time. She might go. Nice as froze. There we go. Now we know it starts. Be going up to the stadium later. Thank you.